Well, we have actually some signs that things are stabilizing, at least on the economic front. So in some sense, the rally in markets in the first quarter, maybe anticipating some of that stabilization. You see the PMIs for March in China, for example, picking up a little bit. And really, markets are hanging their hat on two things here. One is China's stimulus that will help to revive China's economic growth. And then the Fed going on hold, which for emerging markets is probably offers a lot of relief, given what we saw last year with the Fed hiking, and that really disrupting flows to EM. So those two things are, I think, giving some hope to investors that we are looking at a better second quarter.
On those PMIs, do you think that it is showing a turnaround, or could it be a one-off? We know that the start of the year when it comes to China is always dogged by closures, holidays, of course, for the Lunar New Year. Could it simply be just 1 month of catch-up and then we'll see manufacturing essentially back in the doldrums going forward, or are you a little bit more optimistic?
I think it's right. We need to be a bit cautious here. The Chinese Lunar New Year always distorts the numbers at the beginning of the year, so they may be flattered a little bit. But we do think that on the domestic side, at least, the PMI should receive a bit of tailwind. We have the tax cuts coming in as of yesterday, April 1st, and we already see signs that infrastructure spending, for example, has stabilized, and that should really give us a bit more tailwind on growth. So, yes, maybe the numbers are a bit flattered, but the broad trend should be an improvement. On the export side, though, things are still very, very challenging. Remember, the new export order is actually down, still contracting, and that is a reflection of the global economy, not necessarily China itself.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now, to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.